got off really lucky. I just line up your key straight up, looking down, if you don't have saddlebags and tank bags and stuff like mine. But look straight down and see that it's perfectly vertical. So staying straight up, then take your key position on your clutch hub and look down the back here while you line up the key slot on the hub, and then just wiggle this on and make sure that you've started your front sprocket so that it's not going to get hung up and twist your basket so that you don't get the key locked in straight. Make sure that you feed this on the front sprocket and then you wiggle that onto the key. Just gently wiggle. I'm talking sub-millimeter wiggles. Gently push that on and it should go all the way home, and then you can check that it's rotating fine and the shaft is locked into the hub. You haven't lost your key down below, and you're all ready to start setting up your rotor. And make sure that you have your key for your rotor. Clean it up a bit, oil, get the grit off of it, and you're all set. So there's the new clutch, and I got it in with the friction plate to keep the chain wheels centered as well. And there is a little play right now, but once we tighten that down there should be no play at all. You can see the difference between the early clutch with the removable screws. These look like a Robertson almost now, and here with the later B50 250 Triumph, you have the studs locking that hub together, so it's a little bit more work to renew the cush rubbers in this. Now on the front, I've checked all the teeth, look good. The teeth on the old hub were quite chewed, as you can see, from misalignment at points during its life, and like I said, the slots are horrible. But now I cleaned up these threads with acetone, and I'm going to clean up these with acetone, and then I'll apply the red Loctite only on the outer threads. Once I've started to seat it, I'll put it on the outer threads of the nut so that it's just the outer threads that have the Loctite on it, not the deep threads, because the deep threads you don't really want to worry about, and you don't want to have to heat them up to break that Loctite. So here we go, we're going to start assembling. It's going quite smoothly. It's been about an hour now, and we'll get the new clutch on.